Every second of the day, our eyes and our brain are working together to create the world we see, the colors we notice, and the shapes we recognize, even the fast movements we react to. All of that happens in a split second without us even thinking about it. At the very back of your eye, there's a thin layer of tissue called the retina. This is where your vision actually starts. The retina is packed with millions of special cells called photoreceptors, and their job is to detect light. Think of them as a sensor in your phone camera. They don't form a picture on their own, but they collect light and turn it into tiny electrical signals. Those signals get sent to your brain, and that's where the real image is made. Without photoreceptors, your brain would have nothing to work with. No light, no color, no shapes, nothing. Your world would be completely dark. Inside the retina, there are two main types of photoreceptors, rods and cones. Rods are super sensitive to light. They help you see when it's dark, like when you walk into a dim room and slowly start to notice shapes around you. Each eye has about 120 million rods, mostly around the edges of the retina. They're great for noticing movement in low light, but they can't pick up any color. That's why at night everything looks kind of gray or bluish. Cones are the complete opposite. They work best when it's bright. They let you see all the colors and fine details, and there are way fewer cones, around 6 million per eye. Most of them are packed in the center of the retina, especially in a spot called the fovea. That's what gives you sharp and focused vision. There are 3 kinds of cones, one for red light, one for green, and one for blue. Together, they combine to make every single color you see, just like pixels blending on a screen. So, what do rods and cones actually help us with? Rods are like your night vision helpers. They keep you from walking into the walls when it's dark, and they let you see in low light, but only in shades of gray and no color. Cones are all about clarity and color. They help you read, drive, and notice any tiny details. They're the reason you can enjoy bright and colorful scenes and recognize faces in a crowd. Now we know what photoreceptors do, let's walk through how seeing actually happens. When light reflects off something and enters your eye, it first hits the cornea, that clear, curved surface on the front of your eye. The cornea starts bending the light so it can focus properly, and the light moves through the pupil, which opens wider in the dark and gets smaller in the bright light. Next, the light passes through the lens. The lens fine-tunes the focus, kind of like adjusting a camera to make sure the picture is sharp. From there, the light finally reaches the retina at the back of the eye. Once the light hits the retina, the rods and cones turn the light into tiny electrical signals. Those signals travel through the optic nerve, carrying all the visual information straight to your brain. The eye is the main organ that allows us to see, and every part of it has an important job. The cornea and the lens work together to focus light. The iris controls how much light enters by adjusting the size of the pupil. The retina captures light and starts turning it into information. And the optic nerve sends information to the brain so we can see a picture. Even the simple things like your eyelids and tears help protect your eyes to keep them clean so everything keeps working smoothly. Your brain is actually the part that sees. Your eyes collect the information, but the visual cortex at the back of your brain is the one making sense of it all. When the signals from your eyes reach the brain, it flips the image right side up, fills in missing details, recognizes shapes, and even connects them to memories. And that's how you can look at something and know exactly what it is. Different areas of your brain handle different jobs. One focuses on motion, another on color, another on depth. It's like a super fast team working together in the background, every single moment you're awake. So, to wrap it all up, the photoreceptors in your retina pick up the light with rods and cones helping to see in different lighting and notice colors and details. Your eye focuses on the light so the information is clear. Then, your brain steps in to organize everything into images you recognize. Vision is an incredible team of effort between your eyes and your brain, and lets you understand and enjoy the world around you.